In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pineapple cheese appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need fresh pineapple cubed, cheese cubed, and toothpicks. Start by taking a toothpick and adding a piece of pineapple on it. Now we're going to add on a cube of cheese. Finally, add on a piece of pineapple. Our pineapple cheese appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.